Everybody! Alright, this is the story we looked at before, but I wanted to give a quick recording for you in case you needed it. It is called Birds of the Amazon Rainforest. Here is our glossary. The glossary has interesting words that are inside the story. Please pause your video if you need to look them over. This is the paradise tanager. A dazzling bird hops along a branch and looks for insects to eat. The bird looks like a rainbow with wings. The rainbow bird lives in the warm, wet Amazon rainforest. Other colorful birds live there too. A red, blue, and yellow bird lives in the rainforest. Its sharp, hooked beak can crack open nuts. Rah, rah! It shouts as it zooms through the trees. A gray bird lives in the rainforest. It sits on tall trees and watches with dark eyes. Wah-yah! It cries as it dives into green leaves to catch a small monkey. A blackbird lives in the rainforest. It uses its big, bold beak to pick fruit. Crick, crick! It growls as it flaps from branch to branch. A green bird lives in the rainforest. Its shiny feathers sparkle like jewels. Zip, zip! Its wings hum as it buzzes from flower to flower, sipping nectar. A brown bird lives in the rainforest. It scoops up insects as it flies. Whoa! It cries as it opens a fan of colorful feathers on its head. A yellow, red, and black bird lives in the rainforest. It eats some berries and then it dances on a branch. Yip! It whistles as it flips its tail. Oops. An orange bird lives in the rainforest. Its feathers are a silky cloak. Wow! It calls as it looks for ripe fruit. A spotted bird lives in the rainforest. It prowls the forest floor. Peep, peep! It calls as it snaps up insects. And a white baby bird lives in the rainforest. While other birds sleep, it opens its yellow eyes. Hoo, hoo. It cries its mother as it hunts mice and frogs in the velvet night. Now this is our story. What you guys are going to be responsible for doing is you are going to compare two of the story's birds. You're going to find details about what they have in common and what's different about them. Okay? So you're going to fill in our Venn diagram. Remember, over here on the left would be things specific for this bird. Over here on the right are things specific for this bird. And in the center, what do they both have in common? You are also going to be responsible for filling out this chart. This chart has some information that's already been given to you about certain birds. And then, what do they eat? So you have to find the missing information. Check out this. There's a bird, we don't know what kind. This bird will eat a small monkey. Which one of these choices goes into that spot? You're going to do the same for the other ones. The paradise tanager, what does it eat? What bird eats these things? And then the wire-tailed mannequin, what does it eat? And then what bird eats mice and frogs? Fill in the chart on your own. Okay? We'll be reviewing this later on. Okay? Thank you guys.